Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today. Only traded one stock, and it's probably the biggest green day I've made in this small account, cash account. So stay tuned. Yo, traders, let's get into it. Got a good green day, maybe the largest green day since I've been trading this small account. Got the open here. It's pushing up. Not gonna take no trades here. I don't like when the stock pushes up right before the open. I like when the stock pulls back before the open. And like I said, I could have took that trade there, but it's not part of my strategy. So whatever, I'm not taking the trade there. So now we're getting a dip. So I'm gonna jump in here soon, and I'm gonna FOMO. Like, let me break this down. Like when I first, like I had a plan everything, right? I had a trade plan when I got into the stock. I wanted this stock to pull back to the $7.50 level, right? That's what I wanted this stock to do when it opened. It didn't do that initially. So I'm going to FOMO a little bit because I've seen this candle going up. I'm like, damn, man, it's not doing my strategy. But just watch how this trade plays out. I'm gonna explain to it how I'm gonna explain how I trade the stock and how my plan was still in play. Like I never abandoned my plan. Like so anyway, it's pulling back. I was gonna chase up there. Like I'm like now it's pulling back a little dip right here. I'm looking to get in. So I think I'm gonna jump in here soon. See, look at this is good. This is good tape. This is good tape action. And I like the range. INDO. I think this is like a low float stock. So anyway, I jumped in there at 819 right as it did the dump. So I immediately added. So I had and then like we go back here. So it's a little bad for me. So this first entry is a bad trade here. I don't know what I'm thinking about here. I jumped the gun. I FOMO'd into this. I saw it ripping up from 815 and I jumped in there 819 and as soon as I got it, it was a wall. Look at the wall at 820, right? So I'm in here very early and I'm like, some bull crap. But in the back of my mind, I'm thinking if that stock still pulls back to 750, I'm gonna like stay in the trade. I'm gonna add because that's where I would have got in originally if the stock would have did that at first, but it didn't. So my plan is still in play here. Got a little washout there. I took another ad, and I had to add 15 shares there to lower my cents, to lower my average 20 cents. I had to add 15 cents there. I mean 15 shares. Now I have a 30 share average at $8. Was down 14, $15. I'm down $14. But I'm not panicking. See, the stock just did my strategy. It just did it. It came down to 750 and it bounced. I like that. That means okay, it did like that. That should be my first entry where it bounced at 750. So my plan is still here. I did not abandon it. I'm gonna take another ad spot. Just 5 shares this time because I don't have any buying power. But which is why I'm gonna go to CMEG. But anyway, I jumped in with 5 shares. Now I have a 796 average, and I'm holding on to this. This is just gonna be a loss where I just lose big on it. I'll probably lose 15, 16 bucks. Is whatever. That's how I was gonna do it, and I was gonna post a red video. But I was still feeling confident in this play because if this stock would did this at first, I would be buying and holding like this anyway. So look at the level two. It's just starting to rip. Like this is good price action. I like this. I'm in at 796, and then once it started getting into the 90s and tested 795s and 790s, like once it started when the level two ads got there, I knew I'd get the rip over 8, and I got it. Sold it immediately. Made $6.78 today. I only traded one stock and I only traded this stock. I wish I had held that a little longer. I only traded this stock. And this is why I'm contemplating on going back to CMEG because if I was with them, this could have easily been like a $200, $300 day. Because I would be taking like 200 shares. I would have took 200 shares there, and I probably had double up with 400 shares, and I just had a rip. That's easily $100 and something dollar day. So I do feel a little limited trading with my cash only because I don't have that much in my account and I can't trade like that. I like a lot of days that I'm red is because I run out of money to trade because I didn't do right. I didn't do my proper share size. So here, I'm not taking any trades here. I don't like what the stock's doing. It's in no man's land. Stock's just teeter tottering, and I'm gonna get an opportunity to take a little bounce trade, but I miss it. And I ain't tripping on that. It's gonna come. It's gonna wash out to the VWAP. Here you go here. But I just missed this trade. I was still thinking about my last trade. I was like, hey, that's a good trade. and I didn't really want to rush into anything. Looking at QNG, wow, this slow stock. Look at this. Look at this tape. This is no volume. Look at this tape. This tape's not even moving. Who is trading this shit? Who is trading this? Yeah, man. Got back to INDO. So it's gonna wash out to 760 VWAP level, but I'm gonna miss that trade. But I am gonna get in on that bounce. Take another little trade. Only took 2 trades today. See, right now, there's no edge right here for me. The stock it's not doing anything. The stock can go either way. It can go either up or go down. But I'm not gonna buy now hoping for it to go up. I'd rather see it do a move first. And I want to buy the pullback. That's how I like to play. And I'm looking at the 3-minute chart. The 1-minute chart is wicky, but I like those wicks because that's range. There you go. It dumped a little, washed out a little. It's gonna wash out there. There you go. Nice little wash out to the VWAP. I should be entering right there at 777. Should have got in there. But I think I'm gonna get in here late. Starting to push. Yeah, I missed the entry there. But it's gonna give me another chance to get in. I hope the market's turning around, man. If it is, I need to go ahead and switch to CMEG, get back on a margin account, and just get my mindset right of paying commissions. Because that's why I came onto this TD Ameritrade train with my cash, because the commissions was whooping my ass. I didn't really I didn't really trade right with commissions. I don't know. I wasn't trading right. Jumped in there 784, trying to get a little quick little pop. I was trying to get the pop over 8, but I don't think it goes back over 8. And I ended up taking this little scalp. And I'm glad I did that. Yeah, take it off. Took it off too slow. So I made $7.58 today. Nice green day. And need to keep this thing going, man. It's a nice green day. Do I take another trade here? Don't think so. Thank you guys for watching. It's Money Games.